Okay, now let us discuss the problems on random variables. So first question, a coin is tossed until the head appears. Find the expected number of tosses. He is asking expected number, in the sense expectation itself. So he is asking find the expected number of tosses to get a head on the coin. Okay friends, he is asking the expectation to get a head on the coin. So suppose a coin is tossed until the head appears. That means the head might be appear in the first attempt itself, or if it is not in the first attempt, it might appear in the second attempt. If he also failed in the second attempt, he will go for third attempt. Like that, there are many attempts are there. There are infinite attempts are there. Yes or no? So the random variable here is, see friends, either in the first attempt he will get the head. Yes or no? That means head will come. In the second attempt, that means first tail, next head. In the third attempt, first tail, second tail and third will be head. In the fourth attempt, first tail, second tail, third tail and fourth head will become. In the same way, there are up to infinite cases are there. So fine. So for every experiment there will be a probability, right? So what is P of X? This is the probability distribution table, friends. So what is the probability of getting head? That is nothing but 1 by 2. What is the probability of getting tail and head? 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. That is nothing but 1 by 2 whole square. Here 1 by 2 whole cube. Yes or no? Here 1 by 2 whole power 4. In the same way it goes on. Yes, so this is the probability distribution table. Now what he is asking expected number of tosses. He is asking expectation of the random variable. Is this a continuous random variable or discrete random variable? It is a discrete random variable because only at integer values we are defining the probability. So this is the discrete random variable. What is the expectation in the discrete random variable case, friends? X equal to, from random variable x is equal to 0 to n, x into P of X. Yes or no? So this is x, this is P of X, and we have to do the summation of all these things. Okay, fine. So see, what is x, friends? 1. 1 into 1 by 2 plus 2 into 1 by 2 whole square plus 3 into 1 by 2 whole cube plus, and if so on. So if I take 1 by 2 as common, 1 plus 2 into 1 by 2 plus 3 into 1 by 2 whole square plus 4 into 1 by 2 whole cube, and if so on. So is this the correct one, right? Yes. Now we know a formula that 1 minus x whole power minus 2. This formula you might be learned in your intermediate. See, 1 minus x whole power minus 2 is 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus 4x cube plus, and if so on. Right? Until n into x power n minus 1, right? Is this the formula, friends? Is this looking like this, where x equal to 1 by 2? 1 plus 2 into 1 by 2 plus 3 into 1 by 2 whole square plus 4 into 1 by 2 whole cube. Yes. So what is the value of x here? 1 by 2. So if I can apply this formula here, 1 minus 1 by 2 whole power minus 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 is nothing but 1 by 2, right? So 1 by 2 whole power minus 2. This is nothing but 1 by 2 whole power minus 2 is 2 power 2. So how can I write? So 1 by 2 into 2 square, that is nothing but 2 into 1 by 2 into 4 is nothing but 2. So the expectation is nothing but the value is 2 here. So this is the way we will approach. So next question, friends. This is a very logical question. Okay, fine. Let us see. Find the expectation and the variance of the face values on the die. He is asking a die. We have to find the expectation and variance of a die. Okay, fine. Solution. See, friends, what is a die? What is the random variable we can assign the real values? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Is this the sample space? Yes, we are assigning real values to the sample space. That is nothing but a random variable. Okay, fine. This is the probability distribution table. Now P of X. What is P of X, friends? What is the probability of getting 1? 1 by 6. 2, 1 by 6. 3, 1 by 6. 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 6. Now, this is the probability distribution table for discrete probability distribution table for random variable. Now, we have to find the expectation. What is the expectation of X, friends? Sigma X equal to 0, not 0, friends. It starts from 1 to 6. So, 1 to 6 X into P of X. Is this the mean, right? Mean formula, right? So, find out. So, sigma X equal to 1 to 6. What is the value of X? X into what is the value of P of X, friends? P of X is constant, that is nothing but 1 by X. Can I drink it? 1 by X out of the sigma? Yes, sigma X equal to 1 to 6, that is nothing but X. This X is nothing but the natural numbers until 6, right or not? So sum of, sigma means summation, sum of first n natural numbers. What is the formula, friends? N into n plus 1 by 2, right? Sum of the first n natural numbers. n into n plus 1 by 2. So sum of the first 6 natural numbers, 6 into 7 by 2, yes or no? So in the same way, 1 by 6 into 6 into 7 by 2. So 2 3 6, 7 3 is 21, 21 by 6, that is nothing but 3 7s 21, 3 2 6, so 3.5. Okay, so this is the expectation, 3.5 is the expectation, or 7 by 2. Fine. Now we have to find the variance. What is the variance of x, friends? Variance of the x, friends, is nothing but expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square. Yes or no? So we have to find the expectation of x square, that is sigma x equal to 1 to 6 x square into p of x. Yes or no? Minus expectation of x whole square. Okay, fine. So what is x square? The square of the first n natural numbers. P of x is always constant, that is 1 by 6, so it comes out. So if they are different, then we have to proceed in the last case. Okay, fine. We have seen in the last case how if they are different, as we seen in the last case, we can split through summation, but here 1 by 6 is common for the entire one, so take it as common. So sigma x equal to 1 to 6 x square minus expectation of x whole square. Yes or no? This is nothing but square of first n natural numbers, sum of the squares of first n natural numbers. What is the formula, friends? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Yes or no? So n value is 6. So 6 into 7 into 6 to 12 plus 1, 13 by 6. Yes or no? 6 6 cancel. 13 7s are 7 3 is 21. 7 1 7, 91. So it's 1 by 6 into 91 minus what is expectation of x? We already got 3.5. That is nothing but 7 by 2. So 7 by 2 whole square. Yes or no? So 91 by 6 minus 49 by 4. Okay. Now take it as LCM. What is the LCM of 6 and 4, friends? 2 3s are 6, 2 2s 4, 2 1s 2, 3 2s are 6, 6 2s 12. 12 is the LCM. So 6 2s 12, that is 182. Yes or no? Yeah, minus 4 3s are 12, 49 into 3. What is the value of 49 into 3? 9 3 is 27, 4 3 is 12, 147. 147, right? Yeah. Now 182 minus 147. 182 minus 147 is, this is 5, this is 7, this is 3, 35. That is nothing but 35 by 12. This is the value. So mean is 7 by 2 or 3.5 and variance is 35 by 12. So in this case, in this way, we will calculate the expectation and the variance of phase values on the die. Now very important shortcut, friends. Listen carefully. See, the expectation and variance of sum of the numbers on the dice is, expectation of x is 7n by 2 and the variance of x is 35n by 12. So far in the previous problem we have calculated only expectation and variance for only one die. So we got 7 by 2 and 35 by 12. So n is nothing but the number of dice rolled. If I roll the 2 dice, so what are the expectations on the face values is 7 into 2 by 2. What is the variance of expectation? What is the variance of the die then? 35 into 2 by 12. So in this case, these two formulas are very important. Suppose if I am rolling 5 dice, what is the expectation of getting face values on the dice when 5 dice are rolled, friends? Expectation of x is equal to 7 into 5 by 12. 7 into 5 by 2, that is nothing but 35 by 2. Right? What is the variance then? So 35 into 35 into 5 divided by 12. So in this case, 35 5s are 5 is 25, 5 3 is 15, 17, 175 by 12. So in this way, we will calculate. Remember the shortcut, no need of doing the solution also, but you should understand how to prove. But anyway, first you take these two for shortcuts. If at all he is asking any number of dice, you can apply the shortcut for expectation and variance. Okay, fine. Now next question. Okay, friends, now let us see another question, beautiful question. Listen carefully, friends. X, random variable x is assuming values, okay, from 1 to 30, with uniform probability. He is saying, what is the probability here? Uniform probability. What do you mean by uniform probability? All the probabilities which we are assigning is nothing but equal. Okay, find the expectation of even numbers. They are asking expectation of even numbers in the given sequence. Let us write the sequence first. Suppose this is the random variable and is p of x. Okay, fine. So how many random variable is taking the values from 1 to 30? That is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on up to 30. So and there is uniform probability is there. So there are 30 numbers. The probability of getting a number is nothing but 1 by 30, right? So 1 by 30, 1 by 30, 1 by 30. So every probability is same. That means uniform probability. So up to 1 by 30. Yes or no? This is the probability distribution and it is a discrete random variable. Then only because probability discrete random variable it happened. Fine. So we have to find expectation of x of what? Even numbers. Okay. See, even numbers is asking. How many even numbers are there, friends, here? Out of 30 numbers, 15 odd numbers are there and 15 even numbers are there. Yes or no? What is the summation of even numbers, friends? N square plus n, right? When even number starts from 2, 4, 6, right? When even number starts from 0, 2, 4, 6, what is the formula now? N square minus n. Sum of first n even numbers. And 0, when starting 0 is n square minus n. From starting to n square plus n, right? So what is the sum of odd numbers, friends? N square. First n odd numbers is n square. Okay, fine. Now he is asking out of 30, there are 15 odd numbers and 15 even numbers. So what is the expectation formula here? Sigma x equal to 0 to 30, 1 to 30 here. Fine, x into p of x. What is p of x? 1 by 30, right? 1 by 30 comes out. So 1 by 30. So what he is asking is sigma x equal to 1 to 30, this random variable x, but this random variable should be even. So how many evens will be there? 15 evens will be there. And what is the summation of that even number? N square plus n. So 1 by 30 into n square plus n. How many n's? What is the value of n here, friends? How many values are there? 15 values are there. So 15, n equal to 15. So 1 by 30 into 15 square plus 15. That is nothing but 1 by 30 into 225 plus 15. So 1 by 30 into, this is nothing but 2, 3, 40. So 240 into 30. 3 8s are 24. So the value is 8 here. So the expectation value is 8. Okay, fine. Now see, friends, if he has asked for odd, in the question itself he has asked even. For the next year he might have asked for the question for odd. So for odd numbers in the given sequence, what is the expectation? What will be the expectation? Same logic. Expectation of x is equal to, what is the formula, friends? Sigma x equal to 1 to 30 x into p of x. P of x is 1 by 30, it is common. So sigma x equal to 1 to 30, but random variable here is odd. If at all odd he asked. So 1 by 30 into, what is the value of summation of odd numbers, friends? N square, right? So how many odd numbers are there from 1 to 30 numbers? 15 odd numbers are there. So n equal to 15 here. So 1 by 30 into, what is n square? 15 into 15, that is nothing but 225. 225 divided by 30. 5 4s 20, 5 5s 25, right? 5 6 are 30. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s 15, 3 2s 6. That is nothing but 15 by 2. This is the way we approach to these type of questions. Okay, friends, he has asked in the question only even case. If at all he might have asked the odd case, this is the procedure we need to follow. And remember these two formulas and this formula also. If the even number series starts from 0, sum of the first n even numbers is n square minus n. If the even number series starts from 2, sum of the first n even numbers is n square plus n. First n odd number sum is n square. Remember these formulas. Okay, friends. Now next one. Now let us see a shortcut. Okay, friends, this is a beautiful shortcut. Listen carefully. If every value of random variable x has same probability or uniform probability, if we are assigning the same or uniform probability to any random variable in the probability distribution, then mean and variance having these shortcuts, friends. Mean value will become n plus 1 by 2 and variance value become n square minus 1 by 12. So remember these two, whenever only it is possible when there is a uniform probability. When in the question, if you see the uniform probability name, then apply the expectation formula this and variance formula this, and he will be giving you what the n value is according to the logic. In the previous question, we have seen that even numbers. How many even numbers are there out of 30? 15 even numbers are there. So apply 15 here. 15 plus 1 by 2, that is nothing but 16 by 2 is 8. Expectation is 8. In that case, you have to apply whenever there is a uniform probability name or same probability. Uniform probability is also called as same probability or equal probability. Then apply these two formulas to find expectation and variance, where n is the number of observations. Okay, friends. So have it. So another important question, friends, if x is a continuous random variable and its probability density function is kx square and its probability density function is kx square, PDF, in the sense probability density function holds for continuous random variable, in the sense he is telling us the random variable is continuous, right? So and the limits of continuous random variable is nothing from 0 to 1. We have already discussed a formula, integral minus infinite to infinite f of x dx equals to 1. For continuous random variable, integration comes, so minus infinite to infinite f of x dx equals to 1. This is the formula, this is the value, right? So I think he might be not able to see, is equal to 1. Yes or no? Now, so he has given us limits 0 to 1, 0 to 1. Okay, fine. So now we have to convert. What is the first question he has asked, friends? First question is to find the k value here. Okay. So what is f of x? Kx square. So integral 0 to 1, limits are 0 to 1. What is f of x? Kx square into dx is equals to 1. So k is a constant which comes outside. So k integral 0 to 1 x square dx is equal to 1. What is integral x square, friends? X cube by 3. Yes or no? X cube by 3 into 0 to 1 equals to 1. Yes or no? So k into 1 by 3 minus 0 by 3 is equal to 1. So upper limit minus lower limit, k by 3 is equal to 1, where k equals to 3. So what is the value of k, friends? For any value of k, in the sense for any type of constant, we have to use this formula and to get k value by using these limits. So 0 to 1. Right, friends? Now, so this is the way how to answer the first question. Now let us see the second one. Now let us see the second one. So the value of k equal to 3. Now let us see the second one in detail. So what is the expectation of x and variance of x? Expectation of x formula is in continuous distribution, integral 0 to 1 x into f of x. Yes or no? Is this the mean formula? Yes. Now, what is the value of expectation here? Integral 0 to 1 x into kx square. What is the value of k, friends? 3, right? So 3 into x square into dx. Yes or no? Now 3 comes outside, 0 to 1 x into x square is x cube dx. Yes or no? Now so 3 into what is integral x cube? X power 4 by 4. Yes or no? From 0 to 1. So upper limit minus lower limit, that is nothing but 3 by 4. So what is the value of mean, friends? It's 3 by 4. Yes or no? So the mean value is 3 by 4. Now what is variance? Now we have to calculate the variance value. So in order to calculate variance, what is the formula for variance, friends? Expectation of expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square. This is the general formula. In continuous distribution 0 to 1 x square into f of x dx minus this mean we have already got, that is nothing but 3 by 4, right? 3 by 4 whole square. Yes or no? Now we have to calculate this value. So integral 0 to 1 x square into what is f of x? Kx square. Kx square in the sense 3x square. So 3x square dx minus 9 by 4. 9 by 9, 4, 16, right? Yes. Now 3 comes out. So integral 0 to 1 x power 4 dx minus 9 by 16 equals to 3 into x power 5 by 5, 0 to 1 minus 9 by 16. Yes or no? Now what is x by 5 x power 5 by 5? 1 minus 1 by 5 minus 0 by 5. That is nothing but 1 by 5 will come. So 3 into 1 by 5 minus 9 by 16. So 3 by 5 minus 9 by 16. So what is the LCM, friends? 3 by 5 minus 9 by 16. It is, I think, for 80, right? So 80. 16 5s are 80. Okay, fine. Now 48 minus 16, 48 minus, I think it's 16 5s are 45. 3 by 80, right? So the value is 3 by 80. What is the value of variance now? 3 by 80. Expectation is 3 by 4. Variance is 3 by 80. So this value is 3 by 80, friends. Now let us calculate expectation of 3x plus 5. Okay, fine. See, friends, carefully. So far we have discussed the properties also. Yes or no? So far we have discussed the properties. In the properties, what we have learned, expectation of ax plus b is equal to a into expectation of x plus b. Yes or no? Right? So now expectation of 3x plus 5. What will become 3x plus 5? A is 3 and B is 5. Okay. So 3 into expectation of x plus 5. So 3 into what is expectation of x value? 3 by 4. Right? Plus 5. That's nothing but 9 by 4 plus 5. 5 4's 20 is nothing but 29 by 4. Right? 29 by 4. Next one. What he is asking the fourth question, friends? X variance of minus 2x plus 6. So far we have discussed variance of ax plus b equal to a square into variance of x, and constant of variance is nothing. Variance of constant is nothing but 0. So variance of minus 2x plus 6 is equal to minus 2 whole square into variance of x. That's all. So minus 2 whole square is nothing but 4 into variance of x. So far, what is the value of variance, friends? 3 by 80, right? So 4 into 3 by 80. That is nothing but 4 20s are 80. So 3 by 20 is the variance of minus 2x plus 6. So in this way, we use properties and the formula of sigma integral minus infinite to infinite f of x dx equals to 1 to calculate k value, and we apply the properties to find the given questions and the expectation and variance. Hope you understand. So next one, friends, which is the another important question. See, what he has given is, if f of x is a continuous random variable, he has mentioned continuous random variable, that means we need to follow integration method. Fine. And f of x equal to k into mod x. That means he has given modulus function. I hope you already know what modulus function is. Modulus function is an even function. Yes or no? It is symmetrical to y-axis. Yes or no? So it is a even function. Modulus function is always an even function. Okay. Where modulus x is less than 1. In the sense, he is giving the limits as minus 1 less than x less than 1. Yes or no? So what are the limits here? Minus 1 to 1. So find the value of k, find the mean and variance, find expectation of x plus 2 whole square and variance of minus x by 2 plus 6 by 5. Fine. So let us calculate each one. So first one is, we need to calculate the value of k. Okay. So what I have told, integral minus infinite to infinite f of x into dx is equals to how much, friends? 1, right? Now what are the limits here? Minus 1 to 1. So integral minus 1 to 1 k into mod x into dx is equals to 1, right? K comes out, integral minus 1 to 1 mod x into dx equals to 1. Friends, I have told you in integration that we have a property minus a to a f of x dx is nothing but, if f of x is even function, 2 into 0 to a f of x dx. In calculus we have studied when f of x is even. Yes or no? When f of x is even, when it is even. If it is odd, it is 0. When f of x is odd, the value will be 0. Yes or not? I hope you remember this property. Now, since modulus function is an even function and the limits are minus a to a, minus 1 to 1, now how can I manipulate 2 into 0 to 1 f of x into dx, right? So, by applying this rule, now what I am getting, k into integral 0 to 1 x dx is equal to 1. So, k into integral x is x square by 2. What are the limits? 0 to 1 equals to 1. K into 1 by 2 minus 0 by 2, that is nothing but 1 by 2 itself. K by 2 is equal to 1. What is the value of k, friends? It's 2. Yes or no? So this is the, I think it's kx square. I think it's, yes, it's the value is 2k, right? So, okay, yeah, I forgot to write the k 2 value, okay. Integral minus 1 to 1 means 2 into k, yes, 0 to 1 x dx is equal to 1. Because 2 into 0 to f of x, right? So 2, there is a value of 2 here, okay, fine. So 2k into, what is the integration of x? X square by 2 now, yeah, now it's correct. From limits are from 0 to 1 is equal to 1. So this 2 will get cancelled. K into 1 square minus 0 square equals to 1. That is nothing but k into 1 is equal to 1, where k value is also equal to 1. Hence, so what is the value of k, friends? It is equal to 1. Hope you understand. Here we are applying the even and odd property in integration, right? Carefully put 2 here, right? Next one. Second one, find the mean and the variance. He is asking mean and variance of the function. What is the mean formula, friends? Expectation of x equals to. What is the mean formula? Integral minus 1 to 1. Limits he has given minus 1 to 1. X into f of x. Am I right or not? Okay, fine. See what is given, minus 1 to 1 x into, what is the value of k friends? 1, right? So 1 into mod x is mod x into dx. See, listen carefully, my integral minus a to a f of x dx, what we have discussed, when the function is odd the value is 0, when the function is even 2 into 0 to a f of x dx, right? So this is x power 1 is nothing but an odd function, right? Mod x is an even function. What is the product of odd and even function, friends? See, odd into odd always gives us, even function. Even into even always gives us even function, right? Odd into even or odd even into odd, anything is same only. These two functions will give odd function only. Okay, if both are same functions, it gives the product result will be even. If any both are different functions, then the product will be 0. So the product of odd function and even function is always odd function, right? So integral minus a to a is equal to 0 when f of x is odd. So by using this property, what we are going to get, this value is 0. So the expectation of x is always here in this condition is 0. The expectation mean value is equal to 0. Okay friends, now let us calculate the variance value. What is variance formula, friends? Variance of x is equal to expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square. Yes or no? So we already know that this value is equal to 0. So we have to find just this value. So expectation of x square, in the sense, what do you mean by expectation of x square? Expectation of x square is equal to minus 1 to 1 x square into k value is 1, 1 into mod x is mod x into dx. See friends, this is an even function, x power 2, x power 4, x power 4, these algebraic values are nothing but even functions. If x power 1, x power 3 are odd functions, x square, x power 4 are even functions. Modulus function is also an even function. So even into even always gives an even function. So how can I write this? 2 into integral 0 to 1 x square into x is x cube dx. Yes or no? So 2 into x power 4 by 4 from 0 to 1, that is nothing but 2 into 1 by 4 minus 0 by 4, that is nothing but simply 1 by 4. So 1 by 2. So what is the value of expectation of x square, friends? The value is 1 by 2. Yes or no? Now see next. That means since the expectation of x whole square is 0, how can you say 1 by 2 minus 0 is nothing but 1 by 2? Okay, fine. So the value of variance is also equal to 1 by 2. Fine. If it is not 0, friends, we have to calculate. Fine. Third one, what he is asking, expectation of x plus 2 whole square. Yes or no? Expectation of x plus 2 whole square. So expectation of x square plus 2 into 2x, that is nothing but 4x plus 4. Yes or no? A plus b whole square. Now expectation of x square plus 4 into expectation of x plus expectation of constant is nothing but constant, right? According to properties. Now see this. Expectation of x square, in the sense, what is the value that we got? 1 by 2, right? And expectation of x is 0. Expectation of x square value is 1 by 2. So this is 1 by 2 plus 4 into, what is the expectation of x? 0. 0 plus 4 equals to 1 by 2 plus 4. That is nothing but 9 by 2, which is equal to 4.5. Yes. So in this way we will calculate. So x plus 2 whole square expectation is equal to 4.5. Okay friends, now let us see the fourth one. So fourth one, what he is asking, variance of minus x by 2 plus 6 by 5. So fourth one is variance of minus x by 2 plus 6 by 5. Yes or no? So variance of, so how can we calculate? 1 by 2 comes out, minus 1 by 2 whole square into variance of x plus variance of constant is 0. Yes or no? So 1 by 4 into variance of x. What is variance of x, friends? Variance of x value is 1 by 2, right? So 1 by 4 into 1 by 2, that is nothing but 1 by 8. So in this way we will calculate these values, friends. Okay now? So this is the very important model. Next one. So next question, friends. So what he is asking, f of x is a continuous random variable and he has also given us f of x equal to k into e power minus x. He has given exponential function which is decaying, that's why there is minus symbol there. And he has also mentioned that x is greater than or equal to 0. X is always positive. Okay, fine. Find the value of k find P of x greater than or equal to 2, P of 0.6 less than x less than 1.4, 1.5 and P of x less than 1. This is another important model, friends. So listen carefully. So first one, we have to find the value of k, right? So this is a continuous random variable. So what is the formula? Sigma minus infinite to infinite f of x dx equals to 1. So what are the limits? Here, what are the limits, friends? He has given x greater than or equal to 0, right? Greater than or equal to 0 in the sense from 0 to infinity. Right or not? So it is not from minus infinite to infinite, it is from 0 to infinite since x is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, fine. So what is the function? K into e power minus x into dx equals to 0. Yes or no? Yeah. Now what is the k value we need to find out? So k comes out integral 0 to infinite e power minus x dx equals to 0. So k into e power minus x by minus 1 0 to infinite equals to 0. Yeah, k into e power minus infinity by minus 1 minus e power minus 0 by minus 1 equal to 0. Yes, so k into what is e power minus infinity? E power minus infinity is 0. Remember, e power minus infinity is 0, e power infinity is infinity. Okay, next, this is 0. So minus e power minus 0 is 1, 1 by minus 1. That is nothing but minus into minus plus. So k into 1, so this is not 0, this is 1, right? So the probability is 1. Yeah. So probability is 1. So k into 1 is equal to 1. K equals to 1. So this is the value, friends. Okay. So we have got the value of k equal to 1, right? Sign. Okay, fine. Now second one. What is the second one he is asking, friends? P of x greater than or equal to 2. Right? What do you mean by P of x greater than or equal to 2, friends? That means P of x is greater than 2 or P of x is equal to 2. So these two are the combinations. So listen, friends, this is a continuous random variable. Continuous random variable is not defined at integer values. Yes or no? So this is equal to 0. So continuous random variable does not define at integral values. So that's why P of at x is equal to x is equal to 2 is equals to 0. Fine. Now, so this value we need to find out. So he is asking P of x is greater than 2. Greater than 2 in the sense from 2 to infinite. So what is the k value here? K value is equal to 1, right? So 1 into e power minus x dx. So integral 2 to infinite e power minus x dx, that is nothing but e power minus x by minus 1. This is the integration. We know the integration, right? E power ax into dx is equal to e power ax by a. Yes or no? A is here minus 1. So, okay. So from limits are 2 to infinity. So minus e power minus infinity, upper limit minus e power minus 2. Upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit minus lower limit, that's nothing but this one. So e power minus infinity is 0, minus into minus plus e power minus 2. So the value is e power minus 2, that is nothing but 1 by e square. This value is 0, right? E power minus infinity. Okay, friends, this is the way how to solve e power x greater than or equal to. Remember always, he has given a continuous random variable. So probability for the random variable at integral values will become 0. Okay, it is not defined there. Fine. So the next one. So the third question he has given is P of in between the decimals. Okay, the probability exists. So P of 0.6 less than x less than 1.5. Yes or no? Is this the question he has asked now? So what are the limits? 0.6 and 1.5. So k into e power minus x. What is k value, friends? 1. So into dx. So it is, this value is equal to e power minus x in the sense e power minus x by minus 1. What are the limits? 0.6 to 1.5. So e power minus 1.5 by minus 1 minus e power minus 0.6 by minus 1. In the sense minus e power minus 1.5 minus into minus plus e power minus 0.6. So e power minus 0.6 minus e power minus 1.5 is the values. You can use virtual calculators. If you want to find the value, you can find the value. Fine. So this is the third question. Next one. Fourth one. So the fourth one is P of x less than 1. P of x less than 1 in the sense x is greater than or equal to 0 and it is not less than 0. It should start from 0 and it should be less than 1. In the sense, what are the limits from 0 to 1? So what he is asking, f of x, k is 1, so e power minus x into dx. What is the value, friends? E power minus x by minus 1. So what are the limits? 0 to 1. So e power upper limit minus lower limit. So minus e power minus 1 means 1 by e, minus into minus plus, this value is 1 plus 1. So answer is 1 minus 1 by e. Right? So this is the way we need to proceed these type of problems. Okay friends, next one. So next question friends, if x and y are random variables and expectation is equal to 10 and variance is equal to 25, he has given both are random variables, expectation of expectation variance is equal to 25. Okay, find the positive values of AB such that y equal to he has given ax minus b, y equal to ax minus b, which has the expectation as 0 and variance 1. So y equal to ax minus b has the expectation 0 and y equal to ax minus b has the expectation variance 1. So fine. So he has given us y equal to ax minus b, right? So what he has given, expectation of x is 10 and variance of y is 25, right? Variance of x is 25. Fine. See, expectation of x, this is expectation of x friends, e of x. Next, this is v of x. Okay. Okay, fine. So now what we want, expectation of y is equal to a into expectation of x minus b. Yes or no? When we apply expectation, yes or no? So fine. So a into, what is expectation of x friends? 10. 10 into a minus b. We don't know a and b values. We have to find a and b values. What is expectation of y? He has given the expectation of y is 0. So 10a minus b is equal to 0. This is the first equation that we got. Okay, fine. Now let us do variance of y. Variance of y in the sense a square into variance of x. That's all. For b it is 0. So what is the variance of x friends? He has given us 25. So on variance of y, what is the variance of y he has given? The value is 1. So 1 is equal to a square into variance of x is nothing but 25. So what is the value of a square here? 1 by 25. What is the value of a here? 1 by 5. So we got the value a, 1 by 5. Substitute here, we will get b. 10 into 1 by 5 minus b equal to 0. b equals to 5 2's 10 here. So b equals to 2. So a equal to 1 by 5 and b is equal to 2. These are the AB constant values. By using the given data, we just applied the expectation and variance for this equation and we have obtained A and B values. Okay. So now next question, gate question friends. It is gate 2013 question. A continuous random variable has a probability density function f of x equal to e power minus x and he has given the limits 0 to infinite. Okay, fine. Then P of x greater than 1 is, okay fine, he has given 0 to infinite are the limits, but what he is asking is from 1. That means what will be the limits friends? From 1 he is asking, so infinite, P of x greater than 1, that is nothing but what is the function he has given? E power minus x dx, right or not? So what is e power minus x? E power minus x by minus 1 from 1 to infinite, right? So is this the value friends? Yes, from 0, 1 to infinite. Now what we will get? So e power minus infinity divided by minus 1 minus upper limit minus lower limit by minus 1. So e power minus infinity is 0. So 0 minus into minus is plus e power minus 1. That is nothing but 1 by e. 1 by e is nothing but 0.368. If you use a virtual calculator, you will get this value 0.368. Option A. So this is the gate question friends, very simple question, and only the thing is you need to understand, don't apply the limits from 0 to infinity. This is the logic actually, but what he has asked from 1, so 1 to infinity. By looking at this you will be applying 0 to infinity, that is wrong. So what he has asked from x greater than 1, so 1 to infinite you have to take. Fine. So this is the logic. Next one. So next question friends, this is one of the best applications. It has been asked, it was asked in GATE 2014. So such a beautiful application in random variables. See friends, lifetime of a bulb is a random variable with density f of x equal to kx square. This is the density function he has given, where x is measured in years. Okay, x is measured in years. If the minimum and maximum lifetimes of bulb are 1 and 2, that means what? Lower limit, upper limit for this function. So in that way he has manipulated respectively. Then what is the value of k? Okay, fine. So we know that infinite to infinite f of x dx is equal to 1. Yes or no? Is this a formula? So what are the limits he is giving? 1 and 2. So from 1 to 2, what is f of x here? Kx square. Kx square dx is equal to 1. So k is out and integral x square dx from 1 to 2 is equal to 1, right? So what is integration x square? That is nothing but x cube by 3 is from 1 to 2 equals to 1. Yes, now take k into upper limit minus lower limit. So 2 cube by 3 minus, what is the value? 1 cube by 3, right, equals to 1. So k into 8 by 3 minus 1 by 3, that is nothing but 7 by 3. So 7k by 3 equals to 1, k equal to 3 by 7. What is the value of 3 by 7, friends? In the calculator, if we keep 0.428. So this is the value is 0.428. For two decimal places, we have to answer the question. So this is the way you need to answer. Very important. So another important question, friends. This is a GATE question, 2014 question. A machine produces 0, 1 and 2 defective pieces in a day, okay, with associated probabilities of 1 by 6, 2 by 3 and 1 by 6 respectively. In the sense, so a machine producing defective pieces, 0 defective pieces probability is 1 by 6, 1 defective probability is 2 by 3, 2 defective pieces probability is 1 by 6. So can we draw a table, friends? So the solution is, so first of all we have to draw a table like this is random variable, this is p of x, right? So random variable is assigned with 0, 1, 2 values, and p of x is 1 by 6, 2 by 3 and 1 by 6. Yes or no? So what he is asking, the mean and variance of the number of defective pieces produced by. So he is asking mean and variance. What is the mean formula, friends? Mean is nothing but expectation of x. Expectation of x in the sense, this is a discrete random variable. So sigma 0 to 2, x equal to 0 to 2. So x into p of x. Yes or no? So this value is nothing but x into p of x is 0 into 1 by 6 plus 1 into 2 by 3 plus 2 into 1 by 6. Yes or no? So this is 0. See, this is 0. 1 into 2 by 3. This is 2 by 3 plus 2, 3s are 6. This is 1 by 3. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 is nothing but 3 by 3. That is value is equal to 1. So mean value is 1, friends. So mean value is, this is 1. Variance is in the right side. So this option is incorrect. This option is incorrect. So A and C might be the answers. So let us see the variance also. Second one, variance. Variance. What is the formula for variance, friends? I hope you remember. So expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square. Mean square value minus square of the mean. So what is expectation of x square? Sigma from x equal to 0 to 2 x square into p of x minus what is expectation of x, friends? 1 whole square, right? So this value is square of this into 1 by 6. So 0 square into 1 by 6 is 0 into 1 by 6, right? Plus square of 1 square into 2 by 3, right? Next, square of this value, 2 square is nothing but 4 into 1 by 6. Yes or no? Minus 1. So this value is 0 here. This value is 1 square into 1. 1 square means 1. 1 into 2 by 3 is 2 by 3 plus, so 2 2s 4, 2 3 6. Once again 2 by 3 minus 1. This is 4 by 3 minus 1. 4 by 3 minus 1. Right? 4 by 3 minus 1 in the sense, the final answer will be 1 by 3. So the final answer will be variance is 1 by 3, mean is 1. So this option A is the answer. So this is the way we need to find out. First draw the probability distribution table, then find mean and variance. Okay, friends. So friends, so far we have discussed the random variables. Now let us see the different distributions in random variables. So the first distribution is binomial distribution. Let us see the definitions. So if x is said to be a binomial random variable, it allows the values from 0 to n with the parameters and probability mass function is, see friends, it is b of x mapping n comma n equals to p of x.